If you want to give away multiple prizes, or you want to create a competition where the winner or the winners are the persons with the most referrals, then select this template. In this campaign, the participants are climbing the leaderboard with each friend that they refer, and the ones that make it to the top will win the prizes of the competition. The installation is very simple, and all you have to do is add some JavaScript code near the closing body tag in the page where you want to host your campaign. Then, you need to add the trigger button that your website visitors will use to join your campaign. If you need more instructions, you can always check out the rest of the documentation for this template. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made landing page from ViralLoops to host your campaign. You can see yours in the installation step of the campaign wizard, where you will find more options for the customization of this page. Here's how this campaign looks like. You can see that I have installed the trigger button on my website, and participants will use this button to open the pop-up. So when I open the pop-up, I can provide my name and my email address in order to join the competition. Now it says the top 10 people will win. I'm currently at position 7, but I have to keep inviting my friends in order to climb to the leaderboard. So I have the sharing options right here, and that's how I can keep referring others.